Hi, I'm Devin O'Brien, and I'm going to show you 4 different ways to cook asparagus. The first step before you cook asparagus is to trim the ends off. Instead of cutting them off, I actually prefer to snap them off. It's a really great way to make sure you get all of the woody stalk on the end. This is more helpful than lining them all up evenly and giving them one clean cut because each asparagus is gonna be different. Once you've gotten these woody stalks off, you can just throw them in the compost, or I actually like to feed them to my dog. So for sauteing, I actually like to chop my asparagus up into about, 1-inch pieces. First, you wanna put your pan over medium-high heat. And at this point, if you wanted to, you could also add any seasonings such as garlic or anchovy paste. And we're just gonna cook this and stir occasionally until it is browned in spots and a nice crisp tender. And I'm just checking for doneness by squeezing with my tongs. And once it gives a little, that's when you know it's ready. Okay, next up we're gonna boil. Now before I boil my asparagus, I like to just peel the ends, leave the cute little tassel-y part. And don't let all these peels go to waste. Shaved asparagus is delicious raw in salads or even on top of pizza at the end. Just toss it with a little olive oil, lemon juice, and salt. So now that my water is boiling, I'm just going to add salt and then go ahead and add in your prepped asparagus. And these aren't gonna take very long. You don't want them to get mushy. So just cook these, stirring occasionally for about 2 to 3 minutes. I'm just testing them here with my tongs. If they have a little give to them, then you know they're ready. So I'm just gonna take them out of this hot water here and put them into this ice water bath so they don't continue to cook after you drain them. But if you want to serve them warm, you could just drain and put them directly on your serving platter. And we'll just sprinkle these with a little lemon juice, olive oil, and salt. Roasting may take the longest out of all of these methods, but I find it to be the easiest because it's just so hands-off. So first, you just want to lay your asparagus out on a baking sheet, drizzle them with some olive oil, and then sprinkle with some kosher salt and some ground black pepper. And again, you could add other seasonings here. I love garlic powder, but today I'm just keeping things simple with a little salt and pepper. All right, now these are gonna go into a 425-degree oven for about 20 minutes. Okay, so the asparagus are out of the oven. They've got some nice color and little crispy bits, and they're perfectly tender and ready to be plated. Oh boy, you like asparagus. To grill asparagus, start by heating your grill to medium or medium-high heat. And then we're gonna oil this grill rack to make sure absolutely nothing sticks. I do this just by holding a folded up paper towel with some tongs. Add them all so they're horizontal to the grill grates. Or if you're worried about losing too many, you could also always use a grill basket. Don't forget to turn them a couple times. Once your asparagus are tender and have some charred spots, they are ready to go. That's how you make asparagus 4 ways. Now I'm gonna give it all a try. Delicious. I know every single one of these is gonna be great. Feel free to add all your own flavors and seasonings and really make it your own.